Arc lighters are very good. It's just that the arc is a little bit small. The electrodes are made at an elevation angle, and then provide a voltage of less than 100,000 volts. Turn on the power. See? This arc is a little bigger. High voltage electricity calculates the arc formation in the air, heated the surrounding air. It also went up along this air. A leaf blower is connected to the bottom with a vacuum hose. Don't know if it will be stronger. Then you have to try it and see. Wow, that's so exaggerated. Ah, just added a fan. It's immediately different. Yeah, it's like a plasma energy sword. Awesome. The arc was climbing very slowly. The fan below blows. Forcibly accelerated it. It feels like they are connected together, directly from a line to a surface. This is also known as blown arc plasma. It's an enhanced version of the Jacob's ladder. Strong cold wind blows below, so its temperature is not too high. In industry, it is often used for paint pre-treatment and surface disinfection. Will the extension of this be stronger? Two blades and a hanger are assembled together as electrodes. It has physical effects. Fun is fun, jokes are jokes. Blake, the slot is only used for experiments. Printing the handle with high insulation materials is safer. Fix the high voltage circuit with screws on both electrodes. Install the module. Apply glue and combine them. The electronics are only fixed with Velcro. Easy to disassemble. Then, secure the driver circuit board and the step-up transformer. Add a small switch. Put it in the handle position. Arc can be generated with a press. Finally, connect the high voltage output to the two-stage plasma. The body of the plasma cutter is finished. Just like before. Connect the blower with a hose to the back end of the plasma cutter. The two electrodes are so long. I don't know if it will work. It will work. The arc looks outrageous. It can connect into one piece at a normal distance. Too exaggerated. The effect is awesome. The only downside is that the fan is too noisy. Look, the arc has been blown out into a tip. Just like a flame. What can it do? How about cutting a small tomato? Easily cut in half. You can also use the arc to toast it. Its cutting effect is mainly completed by the arc. Can this plasma cut things? Prepare a piece of cardboard. Cut it with only the arc. Insert it from the middle. It's not cutting well. Didn't keep pushing forward. Let the cardboard be in the middle. It's working a bit. The effect is still different from cutting with a blade. It feels like the plasma is igniting the cardboard. No, it's going through faster. There's hope. Easily done. It's pretty fast, less than 3 minutes. Let's cut. Visual effects are maximized. More sci-fi. This is a small robot I made before. All big eyes. Isn't it cute? Can I use it for the experiment? Wow, hello. What do you want to do? You can tell he's quite happy just by looking at his expression. Sorry. Let's start, sir. A little slower. Let's take it step by step. I don't know if he can handle it. Okay. This guy is still holding up for now. Pretty amazing. Move without expression. Hey, man. It's moving. It's okay. It's okay. Hit it a little higher. Hey, how did the big eye close? Are you okay? Lin Yi, stop. Perhaps he's just asleep. No big deal. Let's not worry about this wooden man at the door. He looks fierce. Looks like he's not convinced. Give him an interview. See what he has to say. Didn't say a word. Did Ludi still so fierce? What if it scares the kids? Even if it doesn't scare the kids. It's also wrong to scare the flowers and plants. Forget it, the power's almost out. Still squinting and glaring. But it looks like the mouth is smiling.